guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we have a new package to unbox and now let's go unboxing it.
A few moments later.
So guys, we have a very new scene right here which I'm going to piece with my hand. Let's see. I'm just tearing it out. Okay, let's stop it right here. Everything's outside. Okay guys, in the package we have the new second generation Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Stick. Okay. Now let's get inside this and see what's inside. Here we go guys, it's very neatly packed. Let's keep this mess aside and let's get into the next boxing things. Now coming here, we have a seal right here. You can see here, just you take it off like that and this opens up for you. Okay guys, now coming here, we have a very organized section right here. You can see everything is organized very well in their shape. Okay, everything has their own separate compartment, and this is the adapter guys. And coming here, you get this cable, just charging cable for that power source. And coming here, this is the Amazon Fire Stick with the HDMI. And let's keep that aside and let's move on to the other things that we get from this. This is a Amazon Fire Stick smart device. It also have a voice recording mode, so that you can use Alexa. Okay. Along with the remote, we get two Amazon batteries right here, which are not for sale. Okay, let's keep them aside. Now, coming to the other things, we have an extension cable for HDMI. Right. And these are the manual how to connect the device and how to use the remote. You can see here, these are the instructions given. Okay guys, coming to the that we get, and this is a very long cable. You can see it is not fitted in the screen, maybe, I think so. And the quality is very tough. You can see it's very strong and it's thicker, so I'm very much satisfied with that. Now getting into the adapter, and this is also very satisfying. You can see, oh yes, that fits perfectly. And if you see here, there is a given information about the adapter, and this is a 5-watt output adapter. Now let's keep this aside. Now coming to the remote, I just want to keep this aside so that we can see it last. Now coming to the remote, let's open it. Let's let it come out. Wow guys, wow, this is feeling very light. Oh, it's very small in my hand and I'm very much satisfied with this. Now let's insert the Amazon batteries that we got with it. And inserting the batteries is very simple. Just you can see here, this is the first battery. Let me show you nearer. And this is the second battery. And that's it guys. Okay. Now the remote is placed. Now let's place this back and see how the remote is doing. Okay guys, first time if your remote is automatically placed with the Amazon Fire Stick, but sometimes it may troubleshoot that time. Here you can see a home button right here. You can press it for some time until this red light starts blinking. You can see right here. Then your remote will automatically pair to the Amazon Fire Stick. And coming to the Fire Stick, you can see guys, wow, it's very nice. I can feel it. It's very light, but so much use. Let's adapt this. Yes guys, this is it. If you want it extra long, you can just do it like that, or you like it this way, you can just connect it this way. So guys, here you get the charging port, power input port, and the Amazon Fire Stick uses a universal port, so you can power it with your normal charger. I think you can charge it with your power bank, maybe. Okay guys, now let's go and get into work and see how this works.
6 months later.
Okay guys, now I connected the Fire TV stick to the projector that I have. Now let's power it up by just keeping it right here, or maybe right here, which is the power slot, and turn to the screen. Now let's move on to the screen. This is the starting of the Fire Stick, guys. This is the first time I am turning it on. So let's see all the settings, etc. Now you have to press the start or pause button, which is on the remote. Guys, you have to set the language that you want. You want English United States, English United Kingdom, English Australia, English Canada, and English India. I'm going to select English India. How to move this? Oh yes, and I'm going with English India. Okay guys, now it's searching for a network, and it's my home network that I'm selecting now. And you have to type the password. I'm not going to show you this, but I'll show you how this works. You just move the cursor like this around by pressing the circular buttons on the remote, and A, B, C, D, etc. You can use this and this way. And I'm going to complete, but I'm not going to show this to you. Okay guys, now I completed typing the password, and I'm going to connect it. Now connect it to my Wi-Fi. It is just taking time to connect. There you go. It is connected successfully. Now the Fire TV Stick is checking for the updates of the apps which are inbuilt in that. And now it is downloading the latest software of the Fire TV Stick.
A few moments later.
And now guys, for the starting, select all the apps that you want. So let's get started. And Poplar Series. Continue by pressing pause or play button. It's time for downloading all of this. And I'm going to set up later. So by seeing the analytics, I'm going to see this. And this is the first thing, guys. Apps and settings. In apps, you also have games. Wow, that's a bit interesting. Let's see that later. And in the TV shows, in the movies, in the home. And you also get access to Prime Video, Netflix, Internet, YouTube, Amazon Music, Eros Now, etc. etc. Okay guys, now we are going to test the inbuilt Alexa. Okay, now let's do that. Hey Alexa, what's the weather?
In West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, it's 26 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect showers with a low of 23 degrees. Also, if you find that it's getting too hot for your liking, I can help with some cooling tips. Just say, give me a tip to cool off.
Hey Alexa, what's the rating of MIB International?
Men in Black International is rated U and has a rating of 5.6 out of 10 on IMDb.
Hey Alexa, open YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
Hey Alexa, when is Gandhi Jayanti?
Gandhi Jayanti will be on the 2nd of October 2020.
Okay guys, that's about it. And this is a very useful product, and the remote also works very perfectly. The voice recognition is 5-star rating. I'll give it for sure. It can understand whatever words that you speak according to your region, and mine is a region English of India, so I've selected that, and it's recognizing my voice very well, and I am feeling very good about this. Now let's go to Prime Video and play some videos right here. Okay guys, now let's see Mr. Bean animated seasons. And okay guys, that's good. Now let's go back to home and see some of the apps are downloaded. Okay guys, that's it. That's the Amazon Fire TV Stick, and it is doing very well, and you can access all the apps. And this, I think Ghana is finished. No, it's on the way. Yeah, download. But don't worry, every app will be downloaded within 1 hour after you download, and until then you can just go onto the internet or YouTube that's already installed in it, Prime Video, and you can just watch and enjoy. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. I'll give the products link in description. Now it's a special offer for Prime users. You can just only get it for 2,999 rupees. Actual price is 3,999 rupees. You will have a 1,000 rupees reduction in this. So that's an offer in the recent Amazon Great Indian Sale only for Prime members. Don't forget to check it in. Bye guys.